Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we compare the hottest products so you can make the smartest purchases. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's more intense than a cat fight between two Karens at a Black Friday sale. On the left, we have the Ruko F11PRO, and on the right, the TOMZON P5G GPS. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's dive right into it. First up, we have the price. The Ruko F11PRO will set you back $389. Ouch, that's like buying a small island in the Pacific. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G is a wallet-friendly $159. With the money you save, you could buy a year's supply of avocado toast or, another drone. But hey, maybe you get what you pay for, right? Let's find out. Both drones come with 4K cameras, but the Ruko F11PRO boasts a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 90 degrees adjustable camera. It's like having a personal paparazzi that captures your good side, and only your good side. The TOMZON P5G also has a 4K camera with a 90 degrees adjust and 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like the drone equivalent of a selfie stick. Both are pretty solid, but the Ruko F11PRO seems to have a slight edge in clarity and color. Reviewers have noted that the Ruko F11PRO captures stunningly clear images, while the TOMZON P5G provides good quality but slightly less vibrant footage. Now, let's talk flight time. The Ruko F11PRO gives you a whopping 60 minutes with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to film an entire episode of your own reality show. Keeping up with the Dronashians, anyone? The TOMZON P5G offers a respectable 36 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's like a power nap for your drone. If you're planning a long aerial adventure, the Ruko F11PRO takes the cake, and probably eats it too. Both drones feature GPS auto return home, which means you don't have to worry about your drone ghosting you like your last Tinder date. The Ruko F11PRO and TOMZON P5G will come back when they're low on power or lost. It's like having a boomerang that actually works. However, the TOMZON P5G brags about its high-precision GPS system. It's like having a personal drone butler, always knowing where it is and ready to serve. Reviewers have praised the TOMZON P5G for its reliable GPS, although some have had connectivity issues with certain phones. The Ruko F11PRO is marketed as a great gift for beginners. It's got features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's basically the drone that holds your hand and tells you everything's going to be okay. Reviewers have found it to be very user-friendly, even for those new to drones. The TOMZON P5G isn't far behind with its beginner mode, headless mode, and altitude hold. Plus, it's lightweight at 238 grams, so even your grandma could fly it without breaking a sweat. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels. Users have noted that it's easy to learn and fun to fly, although a few mentioned issues with the initial setup. Ruko offers a 30-day return or exchange policy and a 90-day free warranty. Not too shabby. It's like the drone world's version of a money-back guarantee on a bad haircut. TOMZON, on the other hand, ups the ante with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 online help. They're like the overprotective parent who's always there to make sure you're okay. Gotta love that dedication. Reviewers have appreciated TOMZON's responsive customer service, although some have had mixed experiences. Reviewers have praised the Ruko F11PRO for its excellent build quality, ease of use, and impressive flight time. It's seen as a great option for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G is appreciated for its affordability, decent camera quality, and reliable GPS, although some users have faced connectivity issues. So there you have it, folks. Both the Ruko F11PRO and TOMZON P5G have their strengths. If you're looking for longer flight time and a more pro-level experience, go for the Ruko F11PRO. But if you want to save some bucks and still get a solid, beginner-friendly drone, the TOMZON P5G is your best bet. Either way, you're getting a drone that's going to make your Instagram game stronger than ever. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.